One of the most important things you can do is take pictures. Know the importance of photo documentation by watching this video. Eric here with Blue Nail Roofing, and when people are hit by severe weather, they tend to immediately start the cleanup process. They get out the rakes, the shovels, the trash bags, but really, the first thing you should do is take pictures. Before you move, clean, repair, or manipulate anything after a severe weather event, get everything photographed. Be meticulous with angles, labels, and overviews. Doing so will be vital as you move through a claims process. This information will serve as justification for reimbursement for incurred expenses, time, and property damage from your insurance company. Your insurance policy reserves the insurer's right to inspect claimed damage, so proof of the damages with photo or video could help avoid potential exclusions. Be aware of things that you might not think about: your barbecue grill, your patio furniture, outbuildings, and etc. Seeking professional assistance from experienced organizations is a wise choice. Blue Nail has a team of experts who have the knowledge to help you organize, justify, and document covered damage. Wind or hail, call Blue Nail.